Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to make a Facebook account private on mobile. It is quite simple to do. I'll just go over a couple methods and steps on how to start to change the content that you post to either public, private, whatever you may like. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing you want to do is head over to the Facebook app, click on the three lines in the bottom right, and then click on your profile at the top of the screen. You then want to click on the three dots beside your name. And then from here, you're going to see View Privacy Shortcuts. I'm going to go ahead and click that. You can click on any of this. You can see more privacy settings, manage your location settings, learn more about privacy on Facebook, and also take a privacy checkup. So when you do this, it'll bring up these 5 different things. You can change who sees what you share, how to keep your account secure, how people can find you on Facebook, your data settings on Facebook, and finally your ad preferences. And then so if you want to look at different things, you can head to see more privacy settings. You can scroll down and just, for example, I'll click on posts. You can change, say only you can see future posts. You can change only me to public or private. You can keep scrolling down, say click on followers and public content. You can change it from public to friends, public to only me. You can change all this stuff to just try to make it more private or make you feel more secure about your account. And this is how you change your privacy on Facebook. So I hope this video does help you. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe. It helps with the channel a lot. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and I appreciate it if you could subscribe to the channel. Thank you.